Nah, car shop is shutting down. That's where I usually go. Yeah, that was a Nortex and Lube place. Are they shutting down? That's where I usually go get my oil change and other things, man. I usually talk to the owner there. Man, it looks like it was shutting down. It didn't look like just reconstruction. I could be wrong. I have to look that up. Yeah, man, that shut down. So yeah, this location is shut down, closed. I don't know how many more are being shut down. But yeah, like I said, this is recent. I just recorded it today on July 1st. Because I drive through here like every other day. It's like basically a daily drive. So this just happened. I mean, even a few days ago, like they were still open. So I have to find somewhere else to get my oil change at. But there you go. This is shut down. I don't know how many more Nortex Lube and tunes are shut down, but there you go.